The pros and cons of passive income strategies. What if I told you that you could wake up tomorrow and make money without lifting a finger? The dream of passive income has become the holy grail of modern wealth building. For most, it seems too good to be true, but what if it's not? Today, we're diving into the pros and cons of passive income strategies because, let's face it, some of these strategies could completely change your financial future. But beware, there's more to this story than meets the eye. Stick with me until the end and you'll understand exactly how to navigate the world of passive income and avoid the traps along the way. Let's start with the good stuff. Who doesn't want to make money while you sleep, right? You post a video, release a course, or sell a product, and every time someone clicks, you earn. The first pro of passive income is freedom. Imagine waking up to see a bank alert notifying you of a sale that happened while you were asleep. Doesn't that sound like a dream? This is where it gets exciting. The beauty of passive income is the ability to create a revenue stream that operates independently of your daily grind. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or generating ad revenue, passive income allows you to spend time doing what matters most, like enjoying life, focusing on personal growth, or even pursuing new ventures. But here's the thing. Passive income isn't quite as passive as some people want you to believe. There's no magic button where money just starts flowing. If you think you can just set it and forget it, let me break it to you, it's not that simple. Now, let's get real for a moment. As with any financial strategy, there are risks involved. One of the biggest cons of passive income is the time and energy investment up front. Sure, you can earn passive income from a YouTube channel, but creating and maintaining consistent content takes effort. It's not as simple as posting a video and watching the money roll in. If you don't build a strong foundation early on, you'll quickly find yourself stuck. And worse, without that solid foundation, your passive income could dry up as fast as it started. And here's the scary part. What happens when your income stops? Without diversification, you could be left with nothing. For example, let's say you've been relying on affiliate commissions, but then the platform changes its policies, or a key partner cuts ties with you. All that work for nothing. This is why smart investors diversify, and you should too. You don't want to end up at the mercy of a single revenue stream. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket and then watching that basket fall into a pit of uncertainty. Let me ask you, what would you rather have? One passive income stream that's shaky, or several streams that ensure you've got options? But don't lose hope just yet. You see, there's a way to get ahead of the curve and truly make passive income work for you. And it starts with one key element: strategy. It's not about hitting it big overnight. It's about consistency, smart decisions, and building a robust system. Diversifying your passive income streams is the secret sauce. Instead of relying solely on one platform, consider combining multiple strategies. For example, mix affiliate marketing with digital products like ebooks or courses. Leverage your audience across multiple platforms. This creates a buffer against potential risks. Another pro? Automation. With the right tools, you can set things up so your income flows with minimal hands-on work. Email sequences, autoresponders, and automated sales funnels will allow you to spend more time doing what you love. But how do you know which passive income streams are worth your time? How do you avoid the scams, the quick-fix solutions, and the pitfalls that so many people fall for? Stay with me. We'll answer that right after this quick break. Welcome back. By now, you're probably starting to realize that while passive income sounds amazing, it's not as easy as simply putting a video up or posting a product. It requires hard work, strategy, and most importantly, patience. But here's the takeaway. Passive income is a powerful tool when used strategically. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with persistence, it can help you build real wealth over time. The key is to focus on the long term, diversify your streams, and automate wherever possible. Imagine looking back 5 years from now, knowing that you've built a robust system that not only gives you freedom, but wealth as well. Imagine waking up each day with more time to focus on what matters most to you. But you must take action now. Start small, test, and refine your approach. Start learning and implementing. If you hesitate, someone else will take your spot. It's time to stop watching others succeed and start building your own passive income empire. So let's get to work. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Don't let them miss out on this life-changing information. And in the comments, let me know what passive income strategy you're going to start with first. I'll see you in the next video.